Okay, let's try this out with our button. First, I'm going to go over here and open up the activity_main layout file. Now, I'm going to go down to the button tag here, and I want to add a ID. So to do that, I'm going to start by typing ID, and I'll use this Android ID here. And then when you're adding a new ID, you start off with this @ symbol plus ID /, and you type whatever you want the ID to be. In this case, I'm going to use roll_button. Now, as soon as I've done this, I can go back to my project pane and open up my activity. Okay, now here I'm going to make a variable for my button. So I'm going to make a val called rollButton, and it's of type button, and this is going to be equal to FindViewById. And then here I need to add my ID, so we're going to use the R class that I talked about before. So r.id. and then that ID that I just created, which is rollButton. I want you to notice how rollButton appeared as part of the autocomplete. That's because the R class already knows about the ID and is ready to link us to that view. Now that I have a reference to my button, I can actually use it. I can call methods on rollButton to dynamically modify how it behaves. Pretty much any attribute that exists in the XML I can modify here. So I could start typing something like text, and I could actually change the text dynamically that the button shows. So let's set it to let's roll. Now I can go run my app. Excellent! I've changed this view value from my Kotlin code. Next, I'll show you how to react to a button click.